Hey YouTube. So this is my intro video for the Wheeled Vehicles and Military Use group build, and I chose the Tamiya 1-35 Jeep Willys MB quarter-ton 4x4 truck, which I received, I want to say over a year ago now, from a fellow modeler, Jared B. Matter of fact, there's the letter he sent. Having just finished the Tamiya tank, my first armor, and having these sets, and lo and behold, look what's on. Oh, that's a Soviet Jeep, but still. Having used these on there, I want to continue, that was a blast. I want to continue using those skills, and this group build is perfect timing, so want to get into this kit. Now, I went out, as I usually do, and looked at on YouTube. There are a zillion videos on this kit, from like complete builds beginning to end to just the weathering, what have you. I'm just going to do my usual video where I show things that I think are interesting, and other things I just skip and show you the result. Just this year at the Northern Illinois Air Show, there was this Jeep, and I did a walk around on that, and while it didn't have any of the tools or anything, the window was folded down, and I'll show it and as I'm talking about this, but it's kind of cool to see everything where it lines up, and I kind of put the camera down underneath just to get a look, and I could see some stuff was grimy, so that might help with the weathering underneath and what have you. But that was kind of cool because I knew I had this kit when I went there, so I purposely did that. So the other thing is, I still have this commander figure to do for the tank, and this has the I believe that's a captain or something figure. So what I thought I would do is actually kind of combine the two and take this figure out of here, put him together, and do the two figures at the same time, at least the faces and stuff. And I ordered a few more paints and materials, so in the meantime I'll get him together, and I think I'll do the two figures together at the same time. And so what I did, I actually blew up the directions for this after I wrote kind of what colors I needed, and then same thing here, and it's a lot of the same colors in common. And then I think I showed you from that armor book, I've been kind of studying how to do faces, so I'm going to try to do them both at the same time and get a little more practice on the figures. So then as far as the version I'm going to do, I think I mentioned in the last tank video, I want to do this one with the machine gun, which is the 7th Armored Division 814th Tank Destroyer Battalion Reconnaissance Company number 22, January 1945, Belgium. Yeah, with the machine gun. And then this is I guess the Germans like to put up wire to try to decapitate anybody who's driving, so these are to catch the wire and snap it. And then this is a military police version. I thought this was kind of cool. And then for the figure, if you do that one, then they have a military police decal for the helmet. As I usually do, I went through the instructions and wrote all the colors. It's predominantly olive drab, and they say when no color is specified, it's olive drab. The only colors that are specified are, a few pieces on the exhaust, a few pieces on the engine, and up in here in the engine, and then khaki for the seats, black for the tires. Then it's all pretty much going to be washes and pigments and weathering and stuff, which I'm learning is the real fun part of doing armor. So and then hopefully by the time I finish this figure, the antennas will arrive for the tank. I'll do a reveal on this guy and a final on the tank. And then in the meantime, I'll be working on this, and I have a feeling it's going to go together fairly quickly. So it may be, again, a kind of a combo first update on this, and then a final on the tanks. So I'm looking forward to this build, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.